Hi, Mike Johnson for Stadium Motors. What you're looking at here today is a 2008 Pontiac G6, 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter, 117,000 miles, one owner car. It's so new we don't even have it priced yet, but it's so nice we wanted to share it with you. Come look inside this. The G6s are all pretty plush. It's got air conditioning, it's got cruise control, it's got a tilt and telescopic wheel, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, CD player, center console, drink holder. Really nice shape in here. The seats and the upholstery are really well kept. You come around here in the trunk. Got a pretty generous sized trunk. The seats fold down for additional space in the trunk. You can see how I move these, you can see that. And you look at the body and paint on this. I mean, look at the bumpers. No scuffs on the bumpers. Got a pretty nice set of tires on it. Look at the finish on this car. It looks like it's been kept in the garage. Headlights are nice and clear. I mean, normally when you see a vehicle 10 years old, it's got some scuffs on the bumpers, you know, the things that just happen over time. I don't know if this was a little old lady car, but it was sold new at the Pontiac dealer here in town. And it's in really nice condition for the age. And it's low miles. Let's take it out for a ride.